Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill resale certificate. Prepare your business name, address, and seller permit number before you start the form. Gather purchaser details and a clear description of items for resale. Use digital or printed forms as allowed by your state and enter exact product tax codes when required. Double-check dates and signatures and store copies organized by vendor for easy retrieval if you are audited later. Collect all required information before filling the certificate to avoid mistakes. Write your legal business name exactly as shown on your seller permit, include your seller permit number, and provide a precise purchaser name and address. Describe the items being purchased for resale in clear terms and note any item tax codes if known. Confirm terms of purchase and intended resale use, then sign and date the certificate according to state instructions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum lets you control cleaning by voice, and it learns your space so you spend less time worrying about floors and more time on paperwork. It even handles tricky edges and furniture legs with ease. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When completing the certificate, use permanent ink or typed entries to ensure legibility. Be specific with item descriptions to minimize questions during audits, and avoid generic language like miscellaneous supplies. Verify signatures and dates are present and match business records, and note any limits or conditional exclusions on the form. Finally, maintain a consistent filing system by vendor and date so you can quickly produce documentation if requested.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.